64 years, that is how long India's chip ambition has sat on paper. Nehru tried it, Indira tried, then of course Manmohan gave it a shot as well. The conclusion every time was the same. India is a software nation, hardware is someone else's problem. Vaishnav has actually just closed that very chapter. 2 plants are already producing, the third goes live in July, the fourth by November. 4 chip factories inside 1 calendar year. Nobody has seen that coming 5 years ago. The global chip map has 2 dominant names. Taiwan is at the top, China is accelerating very rapidly. India has been watching from the outside for a very long time. 12 factories now in various stages of planning and execution. Well, the July deadline for Plant 3 is the first real test. Not so much an ambition. Between now and December, India goes from 2 plants to 4. The timelines are set, and definitely they need to be held. Chips need somewhere to send the data. The government is covering that end too. Tax exemptions on data centers locked in until 2047, 2 full decades. The result so far is $200 billion worth in investment commitments. Critiques call it a tax haven for technology. The minister calls it a foundation. And for anyone building in this space, the runway is long and the government is committed to keeping it clear. Google has leapfrogged from not only operating in India to building here. AI servers manufactured on Indian soil. So as far as the jobs in the sector are concerned, they are growing at 20% a year. The old story was that AI would hollow out Indian tech employment. And if this scales, India ends up building the servers the world's AI runs on, which, if you ask me, is definitely worth watching closely. The global backdrop is not clean. Energy prices are elevated, geopolitical risk is quite real. Moody's has already cut India's 2026 growth forecast to 6%. Vaishnav is targeting 8%. The strategy is buy less from abroad, build more at home, protect foreign exchange, deepen domestic capacity. This plan works if the factories come online on schedule. The risk, and something to be mindful of, is that global headwinds do not wait for anyone's production timeline. And here, of course, is the front page take. 4 plants by December, a tax-free runway for data infrastructure until 2047. India has had the policy for years. Now, of course, it has the commitments, the timelines, and the foreign partners on ground. The July deadline for Plant 3 is actually the number to write down. Whether the hardware matches the headline, that answer comes in, well, 6 weeks. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.